Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, this is Mr. Nixon, and welcome to your first day of school this year. We're getting ready to begin some get-to-know each other activities, and before we engage in those, I would like to share something about myself. Mr. Nixon has diabetes, and I've had diabetes since I was 10 years old, and most of you in here are about 10 years old. A diabetic is a person whose pancreas does not produce insulin. And you can either take insulin shots, you can take a pill, or some people wear what is called an insulin pump. Mr. Nixon wears an insulin pump. This continuously gives me insulin each and every day, all day long. And then whenever I want to eat, then I give myself additional insulin to cover the food intake that I am eating. I want to share with you today how I check my blood sugar. This is something that you're going to see Mr. Nixon do each and every day during class. And it's important for you to know what I'm doing. Not only will I be doing it, but across the campus you might see other students doing it here at school, because there are students who are diabetic here at school as well. Also, there are some other faculty members and teachers who are diabetic as well and wear insulin pumps. So basically, I just want you to be aware of what I'm doing and share this with you. The tools that I have are my test strips, my Lancet, the meter that checks my blood sugar, and the Lancet device. The Lancet is what actually pricks my finger so that I can get a small amount of blood for my test strip. Now I have my Lancet device cocked and it's ready. I'm getting ready to put my test strip into my meter. Once I insert the test strip, a number will come up, and that number needs to match the number on the bottle, in which it does. After that, I am ready to check my blood sugar. It's important that I rotate fingers. I don't always prick the same finger. I rotate around on my fingers and do different fingers each and every time. It just takes a small amount of blood, very little. And in 5 seconds you have the results. And anytime I check my blood sugar, I always want the number to be less than 150. In this case, it's 123. We are going to be using these numbers throughout the year. We're going to be using them in math, in science, health, as well as the computer lab to complete different projects. But I just wanted to share this with you before we began our activity this morning, so that you would know a little something about me and that you would know what I'm doing later on whenever I check my blood sugar. Thank you.